Love saving money and finding treasures? Check out BronsteinAuction.com for our weekly live virtual auctions every Friday night. Find Orlando's best kept secret at BronsteinAuction.com.
Yes, love saving money. You can do that right here at Bronstein Auction Company. This is our walkthrough preview video for January 28th, our specialty auction. This is our cool treasures and cool finds auction, guys. Again, that is the 28th of January, Tuesday night, 6 p.m. sharp. Preview will be from 4 to 8 on Monday night, and Tuesday from 3 to 5. 3 to 5 on Tuesday. Come on in and check everything out in person, and then get online at 5 p.m. sharp, and we run it live virtual, guys, just like you're sitting in the auction room. You bid from home, the safety and comfort of your own home. You come in the following day, pick it up, and you are good to go. Yes, we have all kinds of absolutely amazing pieces. Mega great day-old collector cars, guys. These are the real things right here. Absolutely amazing dragon mosaics. We have trumpet memorabilia. Absolutely amazing. More, we have Casey Kane. We have some great, these cars are the best of the best, guys. 12-inch brass picture right here. Stone gem globe. Yes, those are all made from gemstones in there, guys. Absolutely amazing. Autographed from A Little Night of Music by the entire cast. Dale Jr. medium jacket. Cool race jacket, guys. Absolutely amazing. Cut to clear piece, 16-inch tall. We have a late 1700s Friar. Battle for the White House from 2020 chess set. How cool is that? Anything political of these years, guys, is going to be major collectible. We have Colleen. We have Alcatraz lock or handcuffs. We have Tiffany, has a little small chip in the lid. We have a metal coat of arms, 27-inch high, really cool piece. Choice on the Dale cars with the COAs. Another gem globe, absolutely amazing, guys. It's all made from gemstones in there. Rolling Stone, you have Marley or Obama. You have Trout or Bradley here, graded cards. This nice little Davison guitar, really cool piece right here. Mickey and Friends, we've got choice on the skulls, really cool glass skulls. Michael Kors purse, Louis Vuitton wallet. It's a really cool copper light vintage piece. 16-inch tall tulip lamp. Great stuff. We have choice on the bottles. Really neat. Farmall, Power Lube, you name it. Anheuser-Busch plain. We have a Ford F-350 collector piece. A POD HD 500 line 6 guitar effects box, stomp box. Play all the sounds and it's just like having a bunch of pedals. We have a really nice Esteban amp. The Broadway recordings, really cool right there. We have a Yatin Patel original. Nice cool little tea set here. Aaron with the COA. We have this pair of DLS old school speakers. Holy moly, guys. These are like new. Even for vintage speakers, they are absolutely amazing. Look these up, make sure you know what you're looking at. Beatles, check this out. Is that not psychedelically cool? Yeah, bringing it on down here, Don Liano. We have the wood wine boxes. I know you guys like these. Disney movies. We have these really cool mother of pearl opera glasses. A lot of vintage jewelry right here. Really cool lot in the box. Choice on the trains. You have this really cool set of vintage spoon and napkin rings. We have bud cars. You name it, we have it. Absolutely phenomenal chess set. Set of brooches. Choice on your Pokemons, really cool Pokemon cards, graded and everything. All tell Ryan Newman car, vintage Bosnian letter openers, old arrowheads, vintage knives, you name it. Tom Seaver, Trump memorabilia, Dale Jr. cars. These cars are amazing, guys. They've barely ever been touched. Heat Rises, Sears and Roebuck's, Alan Kalicki, race car cards. And now we're going to hit some coins here. These are going to run in order after the numbers that they're numbered. So like 5C runs after lot 5, 7C and D run after lot 7, 10C and D run after lot 10. And you get the idea. Look at this, some amazing peace dollars. Morgans, absolutely phenomenal Morgans, a Svada knife, choice on your MS69 Eagles, choice on your successive dollar bills. They have successive serial numbers, very rare that ever happens. A 3-ounce Canada PF 70 2018. That is absolutely stunning. Look at this, wartime note, beautiful gold seal. A gold 1854 gold eagle 2.5 dram, absolutely amazing piece. And bringing on down here the Pan Pacific 100th anniversary, 2 ounces. Bringing on up over here, we have choice on the Perth Mint. These are absolutely phenomenal silver pieces, guys. Bringing on down here some Morgans, Red Seal 2, another Red Seal 2, a 5-ounce silver bar. How cool is that? Choice on your SpongeBob King Charles ounces, more Morgans, 1897 or 1889S. Choice on your silver bars. You have another MS70 Eagle. We have some really great stuff. 2024 anniversary edition set. That's a set with the case. You're getting both coins and the case. Then we've got a 5-ounce PF70 Australian $8 coin. Absolutely amazing with the case, with the cover. You name it, it is there. We have this 33-inch good-looking sword, jeweled sword right here. Here's a Roebuck, Alan Kalicki, I think we're going to do that. We're coming over here. We have this beautiful, beautiful vintage glass and metal lamp. Look at this beauty right here. Is this not gorgeous? On the Gibson Les Paul Cubs custom reproduction. Very, very well-made, gorgeous guitar, guys. And check it out, right here. It comes with the hard case. We have the Buddha man, Buddha, 24-inch Buddha man. More mint condition Dale Jr. collector cars right here, guys. Absolutely amazing. Again, this is for our specialty auction on January 28th, 6 p.m. Yes, we go live virtual at 6 p.m. for our specialty. Our normal Friday sale is 5 p.m. And be online, ready to go. You can come in and preview on Monday evening and Tuesday afternoon. Come check it out, guys. You can see everything in person, and then we go live virtual at 6 p.m. Look at this weather vane. It's 38 inches tall. Really cool piece. Dale back on track. This cool piece right here. It's almost like enameled on the inside. Really neat piece. 3 times on your comic relief. Some cool old comics. Star Wars collectible stuff. Lamps. Really cool elephant lamps. This whole lot right here. We get everything from baseball cards to Call of the Wild, Huckleberry Finn, sports, all kinds of stuff. Pocahontas. This amazing Tiffany style stained glass lamp, guys. Metal base. I mean, this is just absolutely phenomenal piece of lamp right here. We have Jimmy Buffett, Jimmy Buffett, and Showstoppers, another Dale Jr. This nice brass piece, gorgeous piece of glass, and last but not least, an amazing Kremlin piece, wood made in Russia. So yes, this is for Tuesday, the 28th of January. Be ready to rock and roll, guys. Gorgeous specialty sale set up and ready to go for you. So come on in and see us on Monday afternoon and evening for preview, and Tuesday in the afternoon, and then be ready to rock and roll, literally. Absolutely amazing load of stuff, guys. Come on down, see us right here at Bronstein Auction Company. If you have questions, call us at 407-917-7355 or 689-227-5757. Have an amazing day. We'll see you at auction time.